Today we're here with Ms. Aarti Mehra, BJP leader and the woman who organized the recent rally for BJP in Hoskas Main Market. Ma'am, I wanted to ask you, how many people attended the rally on Saturday?
Altogether, the total cyclist, because it was a cycle rally, we couldn't organize more cycles. I thought I'll be able to organize around 130, 40, but we could organize only 90. So 90 people were there on the cycles, and there were at least 60, 70 motorbikes. And there were few cars, but mainly the motorbikes, and they were almost all were double. Somebody was sitting behind. So maybe 250 people. Yeah.
That's quite a huge strength. If you could tell us the purpose of the rally.
Purpose, yes. You see, the matter of grave concern. In Jawaharlal Nehru University, I've been a student leader. I was in Miranda House, a student of Miranda House, but fought for Delhi University Student Union. And we always rose very, very, issues which were very concerning to the students or to the society, for the nation. Because students, they have that fire.
Of course.
And we respect that fire. But when one heard anti-national slogans, it was matter of great concern. When I heard Afzal tum zinda ho, Afzal hum sharminda hain, tere qatil zinda hain. It means you are challenging our Supreme Court, the whole judiciary. So it was matter of great concern. भारत की बर्बादी तक जंग रहेगी, जंग रहेगी. भारत तेरे टुकड़े होंगे, इंशाल्लाह, इंशाल्लाह. I couldn't hear that. I immediately called my few very important supporters, and we decided that we will be out on the road and we will do that. And fortunately, at the same time, at the national level, our national president Amit Shah ji also thought of Jan Swabhiman Abhiyan. So we thought, let's do it now. We have to do it. So we did that. We started from Gautam Nagar. We came to Yusuf Sarai Market, then Green Park Metro Station. Then we went to Hoskas Market. We got a huge response there. Then we came to Shivalik, and Shivalik also people really gave a good response. Then we entered from the Gita Mandir to Malviya Nagar. We went inside the Malviya Nagar, then came back to the main Malviya Nagar, which was the Lakshmi Narayan Mandir. We got a huge response there. And then finally the rally was at the main market, right opposite Moti Sweet. So where the whole market was there, and they supported our cause. Yes.
Ma'am, if you could tell me how many more such rallies were conducted in Delhi by either BJP or ABVP or you?
They were altogether maybe more than 250 or so. Huge, small, Vidhan Sabha level or the ward level. So there were many. There were a lot of people. You see, because it was such a concern, everyone was trying to do something.
Right.
Yes.
So about 250 rallies were conducted throughout Delhi.
Throughout Delhi, BJP.
Right.
Yes. Right. Yes.
And what slogans were you mainly raising?
भारत माता की जय, वंदे मातरम, भारत के टुकड़े होने नहीं देंगे, और भारत हम शर्मिंदा हैं, भारत हम शर्मिंदा हैं, अफजल के चहेते बाहर हैं, they should be behind the lockup. So it's basically this. Now they are in lockup, at least two of them. The message must go, across the nation, because they had the planning to go to 18 universities. It's such vulnerable minds and hearts. So to influence them, we will not let that happen. So this is really a conspiracy behind. And you can criticize our prime minister, you can criticize all my ministers, you can criticize BJP, you can say anything about RSS, you can say anything about Aarti Mehra, you can criticize to the core, you can just lash her, but you can't say a word against nation. You see, if nation is there, then we are there. And we can't let our nation, the people who say तेरे टुकड़े तक इंशाल्लाह इंशाल्लाह बर्बादी तक जंग रहेगी कौन सी जंग लड़ रहे हैं? They are against the constitution, they are against the judicial system, they can't point out our main, you see, the pillars of the democracy. We are a very vibrant democracy, very, the whole world see at our democracy. Our prime minister is chosen by 1.26 crore, 126 crore people, direct. It's a direct election. And how can you let this happen? But it seems, there are opposition parties, politically motivated parties. They're looking at their vote bank. It was so sad that Rahul Gandhi, Anand Sharma, Sitaram Yechuri, D. Raja to save his own daughter Aparajita, they were there. They shouldn't have gone there. They shouldn't have. Even if they have gone, they should have just said one thing out there कि जिसने देश विरोधी नारे लगाए हैं वो सरेंडर कर दे. But they were trying to protect them. That gave such a wrong message. And let me tell you, I spoke with many Congressees also. We may be ideologically, there can be a difference. But basically, I spoke and they are all feeling ashamed. They are not, they can't say anything openly, but they feel that Rahul did a great mistake by going there. Yes.
Ma'am, was the slogan गद्दारों को नहीं सहेंगे raised?
हाँ? देश के गद्दारों को नहीं सहेंगे. Yes.
And ma'am, what does नहीं सहेंगे mean to you?
नहीं सहेंगे मतलब कि जेल में होना चाहिए तो जेल में गए. Yes, जैसे अभी जेल में गए 3 बचे हुए उन्हें भी जाना चाहिए. जिसने देश के खिलाफ नारा लगाया. अभी yesterday I saw a very beautiful small pic on the channel. I don't know which channel it was. There was this young girl like you. She held a flag in her hand and she went across some area of Delhi and she said, what is this? And everything, Tiranga hai, Jhanda hai, hamara ye hai. Then she again went and she said कि मैं तुम्हें 100 रुपए दूंगी एक गरीब आदमी के पास, तुम इसे फाड़ो. तो ये तो मेरा तिरंगा है. So she went up to 10,000 rupees. And she went to the poorest of the poor, जो नीचे बैठा हुआ कर रहा था. And everybody saluted and they ran away. They called her कि पागल है. मतलब different reactions.
Right.
So no one can challenge or keep finger on point finger on our tiranga, on our country, on Bharat Mata. That's नहीं सहेंगे मतलब नहीं सहेंगे ना. We'll keep doing struggle. We'll keep doing our movement will be on if people will do like this. Kashmir is our abhin ang, integral part of India, right? कश्मीर में ये नारे कभी कभी लगते हैं, मोटिवेटेड होते हैं, पाकिस्तान से बहुत मोटिवेटेड हैं, बहुत बाहर की फंडिंग आ रही है, कॉन्स्पिरेसी है, वहाँ पे भी रोकने की पूरी कोशिश है. और अगर इफ़ यू एक्चुअली सी दैट जहाँ पे लाख लोग होते थे मीटिंग में, आज वहाँ पे 200 300 400 रह गए और उन 200 300 में से 2-3 झंडा उठा लेते हैं कोई. So it's very shameful. But in a place like capital Delhi, and that too in the heart of that, in a university, where the students who are doing their studies from the taxpayers' money, they're hardly paying anything. Good. It's a place for chintan, for thinking. It's a place where you see a kranti happens, but kranti for good, kranti for social change, not to destroy a nation. So that's the major point. Yes.
And ma'am, lastly, was the slogan "Gaddaron ko फांसी, देशद्रोही को फांसी" also raised?
नहीं. That court will decide ना कि कितना किसी को क्या punishment देनी है according to that. मेरी रैली में नहीं थी.
Okay.
फांसी दो बीच में कुछ लोग बोल गए हो तो मुझे नहीं मालूम. But then वो तो क्राउड में अगर कोई बोल गए हो नहीं सहेंगे that was my this.
Okay. So that is not your personal demand.
No.
Okay. Thank you.
If you enjoyed that, click up here to support us and down here to subscribe. Be sure to check out our older episodes and the other stuff we do, like Can You Take It, I Agree, panel discussions, comics and animations, and much, much more.